guys, check out this 1964 Corvette Stingray. It's on a C5 chassis with custom interior, hand-stitched leather, and a brand new LS3 motor with Wilwood brakes all around. It is insane. Just pulled in. Took him 2 years to put it all together and finish everything up. This is the definition of pristine. They don't come any cleaner than this. I am in awe. Said it cost him about $150,000 to complete. Just beautiful. Check out these rims with Wilwood brakes. It's on coilovers. So clean. Just so clean. I cannot get over this. Engine bay is just amazing. You do not see restorations like this every day. Again, with that beautiful interior, check that out. Just amazing interior. 6-speed with power windows, cup holders. The interior is just immaculate. Steering wheel's custom.
Sea Rider, some Ford used to have that. What? I know, right? That's why I said, oh, look at this one, Ryder.
Not see this every day.
That's why I said it should have that.